Joy and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing super fabulous. So guys, I'm very excited about today's vlog because it's all about how to look superb in pictures. Yes, so to make your life easier, I've divided it into 4 categories, which is your standing poses, your sitting poses, and your motion poses, and yes, your prop poses. So come on, let's get started with this, and if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. So come on, let's get started. So guys, this is the all-time classic pose. Yes, you have to put that one leg out and curve your body in a manner that it looks nice and curvaceous. If you put your hand on the waist, you end up looking really confident. So guys, the next one is the leg out pose. Yes, it makes you look really in command and very confident. So you just have to put out your leg on the left side or the right side, and you can put your hand on the waist or you can put it down and give a nice angle to your body. Try looking away as well because it looks very chic. This one is one of my favorite pose. Just pretend as if someone is calling you from behind. I just love this turn back photo of mine. Just bend in your knee and smile with your teeth and you get that really cute girl pose. Always remember to wear that smile for all these cute pictures. And guys, you have to remember to always keep your shoulders straight and your chin high because that makes you look super duper confident. And it's not always important to look into the camera. You should always try and give profiles on your left and right and look away because that gives you really nice and different photos. Try playing with your hair because then you don't look stiff or conscious, and you also have something to do with your hands. I love this leg out photo of mine. Pretend like you're walking and you'll get a photo that makes you look so busy and outgoing. This photo will definitely make your Instagram feed look very attractive. I love this motion picture of mine. You can get a nice motion picture while pretending that you're just picking up something from the floor. And another one would be that just pretend that you're walking and somebody called you from behind. Try using your hands on your hair in this photo as well. The flying hair photos definitely look really cool. So just throw in your hair like that and tell the photographer to click on a burst mode. So guys, using a prop definitely makes a photo more attractive. Here I've used a black bag with my dress and it's really standing out. So yes, don't feel shy to do that bending pose because that will make your Instagram feed look very different. Try walking shots with your bag as if you're just taking your bag and walking, and it looks really very cool and candid. Crossing your legs like this make your legs look very slim and long as well. This is a very feminine pose and it's the best for your dresses. So if you're wearing a short dress, a long dress or a skirt, then just go in for this pose. Pretend as if you're having a conversation with somebody and you're very interested in the conversation and you get a really nice picture. Put your legs down and bend forward in that chilling pose. These are some of my sitting pictures I love. Make sure you play with your hands so that you don't look stiff. You can put them on your face, you can put it on your hair, and you look extra confident. That's the diva pose. Yes, sit like you own the place where you sit. Always have your chin high because you definitely don't want a double chin showing. Be experimental. Look left, look right, look away, look up, look down because you definitely don't want all your pictures looking the same. Angle your body, feel good because how you feel is actually what you look in pictures. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, then do press the like button and do let me know which pose you like the best. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you guys very soon with something very exciting. Lots and lots of love to all.